What was that?
Never fear, Messie's here!
Hello, Messie.
You'd better have this.
Oh, thanks. I could do with a snack.
It's not for eating, Messie. It's to wear when you're in a boat.
Moo! To you too! What's all this?
The river's so full of water that it's spilled over into the streets.
Look.
Whoa! Fun for ducks.
But not for anybody else. Oh, my socks are wet.
Socks.
Which doesn't mean you can eat them, Messie.
Oh.
Come on, let's see how far this water goes.
What about using some of my Monster Puff?
Hey, look at that!
Well, turn up for the look.
Look at Mayor Oki!
I wonder where Zam and Zoom are.
Huh?
There they are.
Hello, you three. Come in, come in.
Huh?
Good. Messie's here. Zam, I said
Messie's here, yes. Where are the others?
others. What others?
Here we are.
Aha!
Oh, the river's overflowed.
The streets are full of water.
And Felix's socks are wet.
Interesting. Felix's socks are wet because the river's overflowed and the streets are full of water.
Zim?
We want to know why.
And what we can do about
Socks are
it.
wet, socks are wet, socks are wet, socks are wet, socks are wet, socks. Back in the room. Zam, Zoom. The river starts as a small stream high up in the mountains, like so. Other streams join it as it flows down towards the city, like so. But if there's more water than usual in the river, it can spill over and flood the streets.
Like if you leave the bath taps running.
Exactly.
Good point, Felix.
But why is there more water than usual? It hasn't rained for ages.
And what can we do about it?
That we don't know.
But we have an idea, don't we, Zim?